Video can either help you or it could put your career at risk. Be who you see in the mirror. And the moment you record, you're judged on two things. There's what you say. Are you interesting? And second, how painful is it to watch you say it? People aren't camera shy, they're edit shy. And it's why every AI editor promises the same three things. You record, they cut the boring parts, you share. Those are table stakes. And they all made the same architectural decision. Cloud first, send the video to servers, transcribe it, and then generate the new media. In 2019, we made a different decision. Instead of generating video, we built the infrastructure for human video. TimeBolt.
It's called TimeBolt.
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 TimeBolt is so dope, y'all.
Any employee records, TimeBolt subtracts what nobody needs to watch, dead air, filler words, all the bad takes. What's left is watchable video faster than it took you to record it. You can send a banger as an unlisted link, think Loom, but doesn't suck to watch. AI promises one-click editing. Instead, it's one click and 47 fixes. You've heard the pitch 1,000 times. And AI edits your video in minutes. Yeah, but here's the problem with Loom, Descript, and most AI editors. So they promise to cut the boring parts, but if it butchers the meaning, it's worse than doing nothing. Yes. Oh, and that's already annoying. Here's the same clip, but waveform instead of words. You've heard the pitch 1,000 times. AI edits your video in minutes. But here's the problem with Loom, Descript, and most so-called AI editors. They promise to cut the boring parts, but if it butchers the meaning, it's worse than doing nothing. And that's already annoying. Speed isn't the only change. Synthetic video is getting cheap, fast, and extremely convincing. But that creates a new problem. You can't tell what's real anymore. When synthetic becomes abundant, real becomes scarce, and scarce becomes valuable. Most organizational video is administrative. Status updates, stand-ups, project syncs. Copilot summarizes it, you can avatar it, put it to bullets, and the organization loses nothing. Only a small portion is tactical. Judgment and experience people actually need to see. But even that rarely gets published as video. Not because it isn't valuable, it's edit speed. Human expertise doesn't survive an unwatchable video. When video fails, knowledge walks right out the door. TimeBolt puts influence on every laptop. Back in Windows, employees record, TimeBolt subtracts. More than 11,000 creators, educators, podcasters, and marketers already pay for TimeBolt. But most tools were never built for your security team. For organizations that need tighter control, Vault is the deployment model. Same workflow and unbeatable speed, but inside your infrastructure. To get started, pick one team, give them a week. Sales enablement cleans their backlog. Training ships footage that's been sitting there for months. Internal comms gets more executives on camera. 1 week, backlog gone. Everything you just saw was recorded, cut, and edited entirely inside TimeBolt. Keep it real. Soon, that's all anyone will trust. And I'm out of time.